Let's take you a little bit on a spin around on this product in here. Vibration sensor. See this little spring dancing around there. This lever, I believe, controls the sensitivity response of that spring. Maybe it's the further back it goes, it's less sensitive. The more up front it goes, less sensitive, more sensitive. I'm not exactly sure. Here's the part here. Looks like there's some mounting errors. Maybe it mounts like that. This area here is completely flat, so I'd say, yeah, probably mounts like that. And then as you can see there's the no, let's pull all the way back. Oh yeah, this lever all the way back, that spring doesn't move as much. I'll push it all the way forward. Looks like there's a little bit more movement, like a longer duration.